Hey everyone, it's me again. Today we're going to explore something truly transformative, Vipassana meditation. Maybe you've heard of it, maybe you're curious, or maybe you're looking for ways to find clarity and peace in your daily life. If so, you've come to the right place. In this video we're going to break down Vipassana for beginners. We'll look at what Vipassana is, its origins, and most importantly, how you can start practicing it today, right at home. So, find a quiet, comfortable place, and let's start this inward journey together. First, let's answer the big question. What exactly is Vipassana? The word itself is from the ancient Pali language, and it means to see things as they really are. It's one of India's most ancient meditation techniques, rediscovered by Gautama Buddha more than 2,500 years ago. At its core, Vipassana is a practical method of self-observation and self-purification. It's not about chanting, visualizing, or emptying your mind. Instead, it's about paying close, moment-to-moment attention to your own physical sensations and the natural flow of your breath. The goal is to develop a deep, experiential understanding of the nature of reality, specifically the concepts of impermanence, suffering, and non-self. It's a journey of self-exploration through direct experience, not blind faith. So how is Vipassana different from other types of meditation, like mindfulness or transcendental meditation? While many practices share common ground, Vipassana has a unique focus. Many mindfulness practices involve observing thoughts, emotions, and sensations with a gentle, non-judgmental awareness. Vipassana is a specific, systematic form of this, honing in on the physical sensations throughout the body as the primary object of meditation. Unlike TM, which uses mantras, or loving-kindness meditation, which cultivates compassion, Vipassana's sole tool is bare attention to your own physical reality. It's a very direct and sometimes intense process of observing the constant change happening within you. The idea is that by observing these sensations without reacting, you can train your mind to stop its old habit of automatic craving and aversion, which are the root causes of our stress and unhappiness. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Why would you want to practice this? The benefits of Vipassana are profound and can touch every aspect of your life. On a mental level, practitioners often report a significant reduction in stress and anxiety. You learn to observe stressful thoughts and feelings without getting swept away by them. This leads to greater emotional balance and resilience. You'll likely notice increased concentration and mental clarity. It's like decluttering your mind, allowing you to focus better on tasks and make clearer decisions. But the benefits aren't just mental. Many people experience physical benefits too, such as lower blood pressure and improved sleep, as the body learns to release deep-seated tensions. Ultimately, the practice aims for the highest benefit, liberation from suffering and a state of genuine, lasting happiness and peace. All right. You're probably thinking this sounds great, but how do I actually do it? I'm going to guide you through a simple, beginner-friendly Vipassana technique you can start with. This is based on the initial instructions given in Vipassana courses. First, find a comfortable and quiet place where you won't be disturbed for about 10 to 15 minutes. Sit in a comfortable position, either on a cushion on the floor with your legs crossed, or on a chair with your feet flat on the ground. The most important thing is to keep your back, neck, and head straight but not stiff. This posture helps you stay alert. You can gently rest your hands on your knees or in your lap. Now, gently close your eyes. For the first few minutes, just bring your attention to the natural rhythm of your breath. Don't try to control it or change it in any way. Just observe. Is it long or short? Deep or shallow? Simply notice the sensation of the air entering and exiting your nostrils. This step is called Anapana, and it helps to calm and concentrate the mind. If your mind wanders, and it will, Just gently and patiently bring your attention back to your breath. Don't get frustrated. The act of returning your focus is the practice itself. After a few minutes of focusing on the breath, we'll begin the Vipassana part. The object of our attention is going to be the area around your nostrils and above your upper lip. This small, triangular area. Your entire focus should be here. Within this limited space, just observe any sensation that arises. It could be the feeling of the air touching the skin, a tingling, a warmth, a coolness, an itching, a pressure, anything at all. Your job is not to look for a specific sensation, but to simply be aware of whatever natural sensation is present in this moment. If you don't feel anything, that's perfectly fine too. In that case, your awareness is of the absence of sensation, and that is also a valid observation. Just stay with it. The core principle here is equanimity. This means observing the sensations without reacting to them with craving or aversion. If you feel a pleasant sensation, like a cool breeze, just observe it without thinking, "Oh, this is nice, I want more of it." If you feel an unpleasant sensation like an itch, observe it without thinking, "Ooh, this is so annoying, I need to scratch it." Just watch it objectively, like a scientist observing a phenomenon. Know that this sensation, whether pleasant or unpleasant, is impermanent. It arises, and it will eventually pass away. By practicing this non-reaction, you are retraining your mind at its deepest level. You are breaking the habit of blindly reacting and are developing wisdom and inner peace. Let's talk about what to expect. When you first start, your mind will feel like a wild monkey jumping all over the place. You'll be distracted by thoughts, sounds, and physical discomfort. This is completely normal for everyone. The key is patience and persistence. Don't judge yourself. Every time you notice your mind has wandered, you've just had a moment of mindfulness. Celebrate that and gently guide your attention back to the sensations at your nostrils. Some days will be easy and you'll feel calm and focused. Other days will be a constant battle with a racing mind. Both are part of the process. Remember, the goal isn't to have a perfectly still mind, but to cultivate awareness and equanimity no matter what's happening. To make this a habit, try to practice for 10 to 15 minutes every day. The best times are usually in the morning, to set a calm tone for your day, and in the evening to unwind and process the day's events. Consistency is far more important than duration. A consistent 10 minutes every day is much more effective than a sporadic hour once a week. As you get more comfortable, you can gradually increase your sitting time. Eventually, you can expand your awareness from the small area at the nostrils to systematically scan your entire body. But for now, just focusing on this small area is a powerful and perfect way to begin your Vipassana journey. While this home practice is a wonderful start, the traditional way to learn Vipassana is by attending a 10-day residential course. These courses are offered worldwide, free of charge, supported entirely by donations from past students. In this silent retreat setting, you are guided by an experienced teacher and can dedicate yourself fully to the practice without distractions. It's an incredibly powerful and challenging experience that can truly accelerate your progress. If you feel a deep calling to this practice, I highly recommend looking into a 10-day course. You can find information on the official Dhamma.org website, but please don't feel pressured. Starting with a short daily practice at home is a fantastic and valid way to begin. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore the path of Vipassana. It's a journey of a lifetime, a practice that unfolds with patience and dedication. Remember to be kind and gentle with yourself as you start. Every moment of awareness is a step toward greater peace and understanding. I hope this guide has been helpful and has inspired you to give it a try.